All right, boys, so we are at TG Canoe and Kayak right here. We're gonna go run down to the river and do a little fishing. My Coosa HD actually somehow punctured a hole where the skid plate was. They're gonna patch it up for me. Big shout out to them. But they were just telling me about how the kayaks are going due to the whole Rona deal and whatnot. If you're looking to buy a kayak, and if you're looking to buy one for next spring, they'd said they highly recommend doing it sooner than later because the amount of kayaks, I'll see ya, and the amount of kayaks they have are able to get, and they're going quick. So yeah, guys, if you don't know who I'm talking about, the link is down below. They are in San Marcos, Texas, right here on the river, and you're able to test them out on the water. And so guys, hit them up for your kayak fishing needs or even paddling needs. Let's go try to get on a quick fish and see what happens. Appreciate you guys watching. Let's get it. Water looks super low. We're gonna make the best of it, guys. We only have about 2 hours, so let's see if we can catch a couple fish. This thing rides so weird. I don't know. I haven't been in a Coosa, a regular Coosa, in who knows how long. Oh, got him. That's a good bass. Dude, let's go. Dude, that's a fatty. Look at that thing. Not bad, not bad. Heck yes, sir. On the jig. Look at that belly. Hey. Not a bad river fish. Tail's beat up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey. Oh, he's biting onto my finger. I was like, there's something on my line. Oh, jeez. Look at that big old gar. Guys, right there is a freaking massive wasp nest full of yellow jackets. That's an angler's nightmare.
Oh, shit. Not bad, I got straight up.
How's it going? That was crazy. I did not expect to see that. Good, you? Oh, yeah, got him. Good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, it's not a smallmouth. It might have. Oh, God. It's still a quality fish. It's almost a smallmouth. Mmm. Let's go. Dude, these things are fat. Got him in the mouth. Look at these things, dude. They're freaking chunkers, boy. I see y'all. Not bad. Better retie on that one. He got me all. I thought it was a smallmouth in this current, man. Alrighty guys, thank y'all so much for watching. That was a quick little trip, like maybe 2 hours or so. Got 2 fish, totally worth it. Over in this section of river, they're pretty difficult to catch. And so catching those 2 fatties, probably 2.5 each, I would say. Cookie cutter, like fat belly, super healthy. I bet you if I got into a bigger one, it would have been just as fat. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode with Manny B and the Skinny Water Boys.